Good morning, dear students. Dear children, don't forget to wash your hands regularly. Wear mask when you go outside. Keep social distance. Try to avoid go outside often. Stay at home and stay safe. I am Brinda. You are watching EduStar Class 3 English Lesson 6 The Rebel Part 2. Dear students, in Part 1 we had seen the full story of this lesson, and today we will read the lesson and then we will write the classwork for this lesson. Now we can read the lesson. Take your English book. Take page number 22. Lesson 6, The Rebel. Listen carefully. Keep your index finger where I am reading. Lesson 6, The Rebel. See the introduction. The Penguin family lived comfortably in the Arctic region. The youngest penguin was not happy living in the cold and quiet place. He wanted to see the world. So one day, when the other children were playing, he slipped away. Next, see the story. Once upon a time, there lived a penguin family in the Arctic region. Mama Penguin looked after her children well. She fed them fish and squids. She taught them how to live together and stay safe from their enemies, the wild animals. She told her children to always move together and help one another. The two elder children listened to their mother, but the youngest one was a rebel. He hated his mama's rules. He wandered here and there and often got a scolding from his mother. He always told his brothers, "I want to see the world. I am sick and tired of this cold white desert." One day, when his mother was away and his brothers were playing with other penguins, he quietly left. He walked on and on, only stopping to eat or sleep. He took out fish with his pointed beak from the icy water. After some days, he saw dry land at a distance. It was different and beautiful. Unlike his home, here he found trees and flowers of bright colors full of scent. "It is nice that I left home. I will go back and tell my brothers and friends all the good things I see here," he said to himself. He could still find fish, but it tasted different. He felt a little hot. "Never mind," he thought. "I can learn to live with this heat." He walked and took rest. Move to next page. Only at night. Now he could not move fast because of the heat. He also started feeling a little lonely. One day he saw some birds and wanted to talk to them. But they gave him a queer look and flew away. Soon he came across a jungle. There were thorny bushes and tall trees everywhere. Where are the fish? He wondered. He ate whatever he could find. Now he was very lonely and weak. Is this what I have to come to see all the way? He thought. Suddenly, some strange looking animals, it was a pack of wolves, pounced on him. Poor little penguin ran and tumbled and hid himself under a boulder. His legs were hurt and wings torn. He was tired and hungry too. He started walking again. By and by, he reached the seashore. He was pleased to see a cargo ship there. He swam up to it and hopped on to the deck. A young sailor saw him and took him to his cabin. He fed him and looked after his injured feet. The little penguin travelled with the sailors till they reached the Arctic region. Now he is back with his family. Mama Penguin took him under her wings. Child, never do it again. It is not good to do whatever pleases you without thinking. She told him with tears in her eyes. Okay, my dear students, read this lesson in your own 2 more times. Now, take your English classwork note, take a fresh page, leave 1 finger gap between the words and leave 1 line and write. Okay, students, now let's start to write. Write lesson 6 on the top of the page. Leave 1 line and then write the heading of the lesson, The Rebel. Leave 1 line and write Roman letter 1. Meanings. Number 1. Pointed. Sharp. Number 2. Queer. Strange. Number 3. Tumbled. Fell. Next, Roman letter 2. Opposites. Number 1. Cold. Hot. Number 2. Safe. Unsafe. Number 3. Sick. Healthy. Number 4. Quiet. Loud. Number 5. Weak. Strong. Next, Roman letter 3. Tenses. Present tense, past tense, past participle. See number 1. Teach. Taught, taught. Number 2. Stop. Stopped, stopped. Number 3. Taste. Tasted, tasted. Number 4. Swim. Swam, swum. Number 5. Travel. Travelled, travelled. See Roman letter 4. Question and answer. Number 1. Where did the penguin family live? Answer. The penguin family lived in the Arctic region. Next, number 2. With whom did the little penguin travel? Answer. The little penguin travelled with the sailors. See Roman letter 4. Quotation. Number 1. Child, never do it again. Lesson. The rebel. Who said? Mama penguin. To whom? The little penguin. Child refers the little penguin. Dear students, write the classwork for English lesson 6, The Rebel, neatly and try to write without making any mistakes. Take care of yourself. Thank you, my dear students.